Hi, so welcome back once again. I hope you all are doing good. So, today I'll talk about something different, and then, as usually, we'll move on. For those who really don't want to hear this part and jump on to the hair care section, I thought of talking about today, so you can do that. But first, this will be a good heart to heart talk. So let's get started with it. Let's start. So I usually do all skincare talks on my channel, but I just thought of today, having a little bit of chit chat session. So it goes all like this that yeah, generally I talk about skincare, but I just felt like it. So I just thought, because situations all around for past 2 years have not been so well, good enough. So yeah, if you're happy, that's completely fine. I understand. But if you're not, don't lose heart. Whatever situation you may be in, try hard, try and try. That makes us gain experience. Just think about me. I'm still a small channel and skincare is my passion, so I just love talking about it. Though due to my other work pressure, I am not so frequent, but yes, I'm definitely trying. So but when I started off, see how much I at least I see how much I have come. So I still remember one of our colleagues commenting, "It's only see 20 people look up to you, so that matters a lot." So yeah, let's see all about that. How far we go, and definitely see, it is not about the amount of subscribers. It's first your hard work. If you are working hard in anything, you will reach your aim. Isn't that? Yes, and obviously I pardon. I Please forgive me, pardon me for my video quality. So I thought of even decorating my background. The Diwali is coming, and yes, I really am looking forward to a Diwali makeup, easy makeup look. So, ladies, stay tuned for that. Today, actually, I am not ordering so many skincare as I'm traveling, but I couldn't help myself, into a hair care product, which I'll be telling you soon. Keep on watching till the end. So yeah, today I just wanted to get something off my head, which I was so much of thinking and all of that stuff. When you work alone and do all this, so all this comes to your mind. So all and also see, so many thoughts are into my mind. I never script any video. I never, from the beginning, I sit with it and the flow easily comes off. Okay, so I'm not like, initially I want to start YouTube way long back, but then yeah, it didn't happen. No problem. I love the camera and everything, but it just didn't happen. And now that it has happened, I'm so very happy. And thanks to all of you who are watching me. I mean, you make my day always, and you all motivate me, right? So I cannot think of anything else other than my audience, my subscribers. Even you, if you're not a subscriber, you are my audience, right? You're watching me out, and that makes me feel so very good. Yeah, so and now that I know I may not look like it, but I'm in my early 30s, and over the time, people gain a lot of experience and people change within a gap of 7 to 10 years. So yeah, when I was in my 20s, I was kind of mindset up. Now that in my 30s, also work experience, like previously I was working in aviation, as a cabin crew with Air India. So all these things, make, and now, and even 30 years ahead, even 10 years after this, 40s 50s, my thought process will change. But I just hope YouTube is there, so I feel connected. I can film myself what I love to do. I can share my passion with interested people. So that was a little bit of talk. I think I didn't bore you, and let's start off because I'm really excited to show you my hair care, because I think I had made a community poll where hair care got the more number of votes. And sorry for all the background noise, okay, forgive me. So actually earlier, you remember I had shown you this product, which is what, Faith in Nature. This I have used more than half of it, as you can see, more than half. 450 ml bottle, 450, yeah, sorry, 400 ml bottle, more than half I have used. So I went ahead and I noticed this Flossom brand. Now this brand is a recent one I found from YouTube itself. Now my scalp is so very oily, okay, flaky, and sometimes itches too. So I went ahead and bought this 3% salicylic acid. This is a scalp exfoliating gel. So it has just arrived, I just received it, so I have to use it, okay, and give you the reviews. But it has very good reviews actually on the net, which I saw. So really I want to try it out. If you guys, all the while I was showing the label, okay, so this is the front part. So that is how it is. It's good. And this is their mild daily shampoo. Now I have to shampoo every alternative day, mind you guys. I really can't go without shampoo, as my scalp will start flaking. So I got this one. So this is the Flossom brand's mild exfoliating, sorry, my Kind Intentions gentle daily shampoo. And this is the exfoliating, which is the other product. Okay, so the other shampoo which I showed it to you, this is again a very jelly texture, very soft. I'll come with a detailed review very soon on my channel. But this is what I'm loving. But seeing the texture, I tried it, I mean, I think I will be going to love it. So that is what. And I think many of you are asked, my hair silky and smooth after smoothing too. I think this is the secret of my hair, smooth hair. I mean, it is a little pricey but worth it. And guys, all these products, okay, all these products are there listed down in the store, so you can go ahead and check them out. Okay, obviously you can get them from other sites where they are available, but if you're taking from my store, I think you can talk to my assistant for a better discount. Okay, it can be done. So that is one thing which helps the channel. You can definitely look forward to it. And see, I do not just keep products just like that in the store. Whatever I have used, like this one I have been using for 5 years, so you understand, I mean, what I believe in only I will keep in my store. So this is just to share with you the products and share a little bit of heart to heart talk with all of you. I loved it so much. And I think I'll be coming up with a proper hair care, all these new things very soon. And if you know, as of now, I always keep updating my products. So as of now, my best moisturizer, the hair mask that I use, and yeah, these two things. And yeah, the hair mask and the moisturizer, it would be again listed in my store. Please go and have a look into the hair care and skincare section. So I think that was all. Anything more that you would like me to take up? I mean, there are few brands coming up which actually many of you did tell me. So I checked out the lists. I soon will be trying them out. So I hope that's all, guys. I mean, please do recommend. Your recommendations are really helpful, and I look forward to it. So yeah, if you like my recommendations, or if you have used my products and it's giving you results, I am very thankful for all of you. And yes, thank you so much for sticking by this long. See you again. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you all. Take care.